Welcome to our channel. If you've ever wondered how to make money from the stock market, you're in the right place. Today, we'll break down the essentials of earning from the share market, step by step. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your investment skills, we've got you covered. So let's get started. First things first, let's understand what the stock market is. The stock market is a platform where investors buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. When you purchase a share, you're essentially buying a small piece of that company. The stock market operates through exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and the NASDAQ. Companies list their shares on these exchanges through a process called an initial public offering, IPO. Once listed, these shares can be traded among investors. Now let's talk about the different types of investments you can make in the stock market. The most common ones are individual stocks, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Individual stocks. These are shares of a specific company. Investing in individual stocks can be risky, but also rewarding if you choose the right companies. Mutual funds. These are pooled investment vehicles that allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. ETFs. These are similar to mutual funds, but trade like a stock on an exchange. They offer diversification and can be a great way to get exposure to various sectors. Ready to start investing? Here's a simple guide to get you started. First, choose a brokerage. Look for a reputable brokerage with low fees and a user-friendly platform. Some popular options in the US include Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, and E-Trade. Next, open an account, which typically involves providing some personal information and funding your account. Then research and choose stocks using tools and resources provided by your brokerage to research potential investments. Look at company performance, market trends, and financial reports. Lastly, place your order by deciding how many shares you want to buy and at what price. You can place a market order, which buys the stock at the current market price, or a limit order, which only buys at a specific price. Now that you're set up, let's talk strategies. Here are a few proven strategies to help you succeed in the stock market. Diversification. Spread your investments across different sectors and asset classes to minimize risk. Dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. This can help reduce the impact of market volatility. Long-term investing. Focus on the long-term potential of your investments rather than short-term gains. Historically, the stock market has shown strong long-term growth. Investing in the stock market comes with its risks and rewards. It's essential to understand both to make informed decisions. With the right knowledge and a strategic approach, you can make the stock market work for you. So start investing today and take the first step towards building a secure financial future.